Welcome back, dear students. I had already started the poem Dear March Come In. This is the third and the last video. In the first two videos, I have explained you the three paragraphs, the three stanzas of the poem. Now let me just give you a small gist that this is a poem in the form of a dialogue, and it is a free verse. There is no particular rhyme scheme as such in this poem, and it is already so musical that there are no short phrases that just sound good. It seems that there is no need of a rhyme in this poem because it is very there is a continuation. The poem is trying to show that when you have waited patiently for something, and it shows up at your door, how great, how nice, how happy you feel, and you want to greet it with lot of enthusiasm and happiness, and you want to stay with it for a little while. You want to spend some time in its company, the person's company, or if the company of that thing which you have waited for so long. And this poem also speaks about the beauty of nature, how the poetess, she is trying to welcome the spring season of March. She has tried to portray her love for nature, and also how it brings so many beautiful colors, like when the winter is there, the mountains are all purplish in color, and how when the spring approaches, the change in the hills and the vibrance that it brings with it, the ambience is different. And how she gets annoyed, the poetess get annoyed when April knocks at the door, because she does not want to be disturbed, because she is enjoying the company of March. So this poem is all in all a poem where she beautifies, where she you can say enjoys the beauty of nature, where she loves the colors, the fresh air that it brings with it, and how the remains of the cruel winter, just few remains are there, and the March is coming in, as the March comes in, proceeds in. Thank you. Please go through the poem carefully. Thank you.